Hey guys, Lake 4 Kid here, back with another video. And today we are going to be doing some pond hopping. Today we're fishing one of my local ponds, and it's got really good fish in here. I've caught 20-pound bags, 2 6-pounders out of this pond. So hopefully we can replicate that. I'm going to hit this little main lake point first, because I caught about 22 fish last time I was here in like a 25-minute time period on this little main lake point on a frog. So hopefully I can replicate that. You can't tell, it's really low. I think we're sitting at about 15-foot low, which is weird because all the other lakes are coming up, but this little pond, which really is like a lake when it comes up, is not full. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. That's a good one. I told you guys, they're here. They're just hard to catch. We'll put a weight on this guy. Going for our best 5 today. It's a good fish. He's got a head full of, face full of frog. Who knows, that could have been the same fish that blew up on me the cast before. But he's a skinny post spawner. He's not even gonna go 2 pounds, but he's got a 2.5-pound head. Doubt he'll go 2 pounds. See, I let that one just take it and eat it, so let's see how much he goes. Oh, well, he's a 2-pounder. 2.16. 2.16. Fish. Go bigger. Yes. 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 We won't weigh him either. I thought he would. You go on that bank. Good one. Oh, there's so many fish here. Another skinny. That's that. That's why you get venom right there. That's why you get venom. That's the Rattling Hog from Venom Lures. Just throwing a weightless rattling hog. Another 2-pounder. Skinny, skinny. I was picking out a backlash and I got one. Oh man, sorry buddy. I'll get you cleaned off a little bit.
Hey guys, this was one of the last fish of the day. I only got 6 fish on
wanted that rattling
camera
hog?
because my GoPro was overheating. But this was
Think
the
you
last
wanted
fish
it?
of the day. This was caught in a rattling hog. It got up to like 114
No,
this
they're
day, so it made it
skinny.
really tough on the fish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. It's just a little bit of content for y'all to kind of get caught back up. I'm going to start filming YouTube videos again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.